Right, I'm going to show you step by step how you can automate your Shopify store and grow it on autopilot. Now, first things first is you need to have an asset associated with your Shopify store, right? Whether that's a YouTube channel, so social media, an email, and in this case, a blog, right? You should have a blog associated with your brand. And on this blog, right, you publish unique blog posts that talk about your brand, talk about your brand's products, what you guys do, right? And all these, their goal as individual blog posts is to rank on Google for certain keywords and bring in traffic, right? People searching for the keywords these blog posts rank for to get them to read your blog and get introduced to your brand. And in the future, of course, buy your products. Now, before, you used to have to do all this manually. And with Journalist AI, you can essentially generate articles and post them to your blog on autopilot. These right here that I'm showing you right now, these are articles for an e-commerce brand in the gardening space, right? And all of this was AI generated, right? Even with the interactive table of contents, right? The internal links linking out to other pages on your site, the in-article images, the in-article videos, right? The internal links, external links, the tables, the bullets, the calls to action down here to your products or services. All this was done with AI, right? You can just go here and click post to your Shopify, one by one, view them, post them to Shopify, view them, post them to Shopify, or just go here, publish all to integration, and you'll publish 5 out of 5 to your Shopify store. Now, this takes some time, so you can do it automatically. Just set up an auto blog right here. And what this will do is you're connecting Journalist AI with your Shopify store blog, right? And it's generating plus it's publishing content, right? Individual blog posts. These are individual blog posts on your Shopify store blog every single day, week, hour, or month, right? And keep in mind that each one of these, if we expand on one of these right here, these individual blog posts will all have, just like I showed you before, right, the featured image, the table of contents, the in-article videos, in-article images relevant to what the content is about, proper structure, of course, internal links, so linking out to other posts you've written in the past or linking out to other pages on your site, external links, so linking out to authoritative sources in your niche, right? This will depend on what your niche is, tables, bullets, and of course, a call to action to your products or services, right? Each one of these will have this amount of detail. And to set this up, I won't do it right now, but you can just go here and select however many posts you want to post every single month, week, day, hour, and just hit save. And once you do, right, journalists will start producing content, in this case, 60 posts every single day. It's going to generate them and automatically post them to your site, again, with images, videos, links, calls to action, tables, all this on autopilot, so you can focus on growing your Shopify store with other efforts, right? Fulfilling orders, customer support, and all that, while you leave Journalist AI to handle the SEO and the blog aspect of it for you. And so if you have a Shopify store, this is essentially a no-brainer, right? Because you can just connect Journalist AI with your brand and have it produce content on autopilot. Now, we go even a step further, because the reality is that, let's do this stair analogy. Let's call this up here success, right? This is success, meaning it's a money sign as well, because the goal with written content is to have it rank on Google so people find it organically, read through, get introduced to your brand, and buy your product, right? Now, previously, you'd have to do this all manually, right? You have to do the keyword research to figure out what your customers are searching for, actually write the article, find images to post on the article, find links, and the best place in the article to post those links on, find the videos, find all this. It used to be done all manually. It took so much time. Now with ChatGPT, you would start from up here, right? Because ChatGPT handles a couple of these things for you, mainly the content creation, right? So you'd skip a couple of steps, but that's not enough, right? With Journalist AI, you skip all of these steps and start from up here, because the content that we're producing already has all your images included, right? A table of contents, the videos, the in-article images, the internal links, the external links, the calls to action, the tables, all this done automatically for you, right? Linking out to other pages on your site, linking out to your products, all this on autopilot. Now, you can go even a step further and connect your brand. If you click here, you can connect your brand to Journalist. And what this will do is Journalist AI will learn as much as it can about your brand, and we'll learn every single thing that is out there to learn about a brand. So it will become as knowledgeable as you are about your brand. So we'll be able to produce, right, even more brand tailored content, right? Speaking with your brand's tone of voice, using your brand's images, using your brand's mannerisms, right? So it's yet a step further even above ChatGPT content, because it won't be generic, right? It will be brand tailored. And again, you can essentially automate your Shopify store with this, right? Just do a couple plugs in here and have it write content just like this one, right? In this case, this was for a gardening Shopify store, right? And this is ready to post, right? This is ready to post. This talks about the 10 tips for starting a garden as a newbie, has an overview, why start a garden, the benefits of doing so, with a link to another page, or actually it's a call to action to a product on their site, right? Actually to another post on their site, right? Because if you're a newbie, you need, of course, to start with some lights, right? I'm not too deep into this niche, but you get the point, right? All this properly formatted with relevant videos inside of the content, right? Relevant images inside of the content, internal links, external links, tables again in the call to action, all this done automatically for you. You just have to plug in your Shopify store with Journalist AI, hit run, and we'll take care of this automatically on autopilot for you, right? Works for any niche and works for over 150 different languages. So if you're targeting with your Shopify store international markets, Spanish, Portuguese, Greek, Turkish, whatever it is, right? You can produce this type of tailored content with the images, with the tables, with the links, all this 100% on autopilot. Again, targeting any market you wish. And non-English markets tend to be much less competitive, so it's much more likely that this content ranks, right? Thus, it's easier that it's found by your potential customers in that market, thus bringing you extra revenue to your Shopify store. Now, I'll leave a link for this in the description. Connect your Shopify store, try it out, let me know what you think. Yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.